I mean, it's still like it looks okay. It's just sad. It's like, man. I mean,
Peace, 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 family. As we can see, Bitcoin hitting highs above 26,000 now. It's getting, man, it's feeling like 2017 all over again. Just this time that much more greater. That much more greater. Wait for a couple people to tune in. I know it's kind of late. You know what I am going to do, though, is share this out and go ahead and get a link. Get a screenshot real quick. Now, as always, remember, the higher it goes, the harder it falls. So we definitely want to be mindful of that. We definitely want to be mindful of that. Here we go, right here. Give it a little second, let a couple people tune into the chat. Peace, 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 family. How's everybody doing? There we go. We got that shared out. Wait, family, let me know if y'all can hear me clearly. Please let me know if you can hear me clearly. Make sure everything's coming through clear. Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me. Give me a thumbs up if y'all can hear. Okay, clear. Cool, cool, cool. How's everybody doing? I'm gonna start going live on IG too. Start going live on IG too. Oh no, this market is gonna be totally different than 2017. I said it feels like 2017 again, just because of the way prices are going. But this is nothing like 2017. You can't even compare this to 2017, to be honest. You can't even compare this to 2017. Nothing. This is nothing like 2017. That's why it tickles my funny bone when people like, hey, this happened in 2017. So good. I always stay late to hear you. Thank you. Thank you. Let me see. People like, yeah, this happened in 2017. I don't give a shit what happened in 2017. It ain't got nothing to do with 2020. Absolutely nothing. Other than the fact that we crossed previous highs on some of them, right? But not all of them. So let me go ahead and get this let me see. Let me get this up and running. Get this live going. Salam. Any altcoins you've been keeping up with? I've been keeping up with a lot of altcoins. Follow my IG page. I share them all on there. I've been keeping up with a lot of altcoins. There we go. Get this live going. Get this live going. What's going on, everybody? Peace, peace, peace. I got people checking in. We streaming live right now on YouTube and now streaming live on IG. Letting a couple people tune in real quick. See this amazingness. Though, like I say, the harder it, man, the higher it go, the harder it can fall. The higher it go, the harder it can fall. So be careful. Ripple falling back below 30 cents. Ripple falling back below 30 cents. It was a nice pump while it lasted, though. Real nice pump while it lasted. Bitcoin taking the range right now. Taking the wheel. Peace, 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 everybody. How's everybody doing out there? Glad I got everybody tuning in. My homie, Illy D. Williams, what's going on? Peace, 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 everybody. How goes the multitude? Bitcoin selling off now, hitting 27,000, starting to sell off. Peace, Queen. Bitcoin hitting that 27,000 mark, starting to sell off. Litecoin, though, man, Litecoin going ham right now. VeChain. Damn, is that SNX still moving? Hold on, let me see. Where is that? Crow. What is that? What is this right here? This big old DigiByte. DGB up 40%. DGB up. Hey, I'm going to show y'all something that's real interesting that I noticed earlier, right? Let me go to Bitcoin real quick. Let me show y'all two very, very similar charts. Very, very similar. This is why I love doing technical analysis. So look at Bitcoin, right? Leading up in 2017, coming down in 2018, running up again in 2019, coming down pre-2020, and then running up in 2020, right? Now, I'm going to show you another chart, and when I say it is full identical, over here cooking on DeFi, my man's. When I'm saying it looks damn near full identical to the Bitcoin chart, I'm like, damn, I never noticed it, really. Other people may have, but I didn't. Let me see. We look at Monero. Look at that chart. 17, 18, 19, leading into 20. You got that long wick down. Now let's go back and forth. Let's see. This is Monero privacy coin. This is Bitcoin. Monero, Bitcoin. Monero, Bitcoin. Monero, Bitcoin. Monero, Bitcoin. Y'all see that? This is TradingView, what I'm looking at right now, family. Yep, Monero. Yeah, Monero, top privacy coin. Top privacy coin. Let's look at the heat map. Go back to the heat map. Now, let's take a look at BTC real quick and see could we have had some type of indication we were going to hit the highs that we are right now. Real easy, just utilizing the fib level. There we go. Let's open this up a little bit. Okay, so we just blew past 227, which was 26,601, right? That's your next stop, 28,023. Can we hit it? Well, if we hold above 26,000, we just may. If we hold above this level of support right here, $26,601, we very well may hit that $28,000 mark. Now, if we crash below the $26,000 mark, you can pull all the way back to 23,000. Always remember how these wicks work, family. This is the same thing 2020. All this right here can be one long wick, and we can sell off. But what's different now than in 2017, right, is that we've never had this amount of institutional money coming to the table. We've never had this amount of institutional money coming to the table ever, right? Not in the droves that is coming right now, where you got companies like Mass Mutual, Gutenberg. I think that's the name. Let me see. Might not be Gutenberg. It's Guten something. Let me see. Who was it? It was. Man, who was it? It was like a German company. It said they called $400,000 a Bitcoin, right? Let me see if I can find the story. Bitcoin should be. There it is. Guggenheim, not Gutenberg. Guggenheim says Bitcoin should be worth $400,000. So when people see this, right? Not specifically people. There you go. Guggenheim. There it was. Johnny Osho. You had it. Right? When you see them throwing out expectations like this. Heron on Tracks L. Islam. What's going on? Peace, Law. One of the top producers in the world right there on my live right now. Heron on Tracks L. Y'all follow my brother right there. He be dropping a lot of jewels. Heron on Tracks L. Let me see if I can get bro in the live with me. If he's still on. One of my brothers. Yeah, going full retard mode right now. Bitcoin going full retard mode. Let's open it up on the hourly. Islam, what's going on, Law?
Islam, what's the word?
Man, ain't nothing too much, man, over here. You know, doing what I do best in this new money matrix.
Yeah, I see you, man. You know, I'm under the same Mac, man. Just working, man. I'm in Cannon Land.
I already know. I already know you one of the hardest working, boy. People sleep on what you got going on. Some not, though. Most know, but you know, it's a couple that don't, but I definitely see you over there working.
It's the same thing with you, bro. Nobody know what be going on, bro. So it's really like, you know, they'll figure it out. And if people that need to know, they know, you know.
Definitely.
It is what it is. How you doing, though?
Man, all is truly well, man. Working out, feeling good, healthy. How's the family? How's the wife? How the kid?
Oh man, everybody's super well. How your family doing, man? We just out here super chilling, man.
Man, feeling beautiful. Feeling beautiful, man. We've been fasting since what? I think we started fasting the 21st. And then, you know, just did a nice little juice fast leading up to the winter solstice and whatnot. Just to clear the body out. Come into the new year new. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yes, sir.
Nice and fresh.
Yes, sir. Why not? You know? Why not? I might fast just so you said that, you know?
Hey, see that?
I love fasting. It feels great, man.
Definitely. That's how you spread it right there. All you gotta do is just, man, share life experiences. You never know what type of effect it'll have on anybody inside and outside.
That fact, because, you know, I'm strict vegan and all that type of stuff. So fasting to me is like, you know, it's kind of like what I do, you know? Like, I'll fast like once a week sometimes if I feel like it.
Right. Right. And people don't understand what that fasting do, man. You get the body that chance to go ahead and say it again.
Doing it all the time. Oh yeah. No, I was just saying what's going on with the Bitcoin stuff. You know, I know you be on it.
Man, it's just a new asset. Not even to hype it all up and say that it's the new money and all that. It's just a new asset class, and you know people are taking advantage of it with it being a finite number. So I'm not even gonna hype it up and say it's the greatest thing ever, even though it's shitting on a lot of different investment right now. You know what I mean? But just a new medium of exchange.
I like it just because what you do with it, you know, like I've been in tune with it for a little while, like back when it was like 250 or something like that. Like it was crazy. But I'll be dealing with the currency, so I'll be back and forth to here and there. You know, I collect in different currencies, and why you would want it like that, you know, and just keep your money in certain spots so that it either is gonna gain some or you gonna. But it's like a lot of people don't be having no revenue. You know what I'm saying? So they don't understand if you. Making no revenue, you know what I'm saying? Just not doing nothing, down and losing money, you know?
Right. See, what he's talking about is about having capital come in, family. A lot of individuals, a lot of people don't think they have the capital to do what we're speaking on, but a lot of times they just haven't tapped into that money source. As an example, I know niggas that smoke all day long. all day, every day, right? If they just quit smoking 3 days out the week, you know how much capital that'd be that they'll be able to invest and put towards something different. It's small things like that that can make a difference, really. In the future.
They don't understand compound interest, man.
Nah, definitely one of the.
That's real, bro.
One of the.
Because I'm trying to get people to think about it all the time, man.
Now, family, what we're looking at, my brother Trax is just talking about how he exchanges different currencies, and what we're looking at here are synthetic versions of world currencies. To whereas if you're in Europe, I can send you synthetic euros that you can utilize. If you're in Japan, I can send you synthetic JPY. If you're in Australia, I can send you synthetic Aussie dollars, Great Britain pounds, as well as the Swiss franc. So, this is the way in which the currencies are going to be able to be transacted while still having their fiat counterparts.
Mm-hmm. So, do they charge you to convert?
The only conversion you'll have to do is when you originally go from fiat over to the crypto. You know what I'm saying? Once you get into crypto, everything's just an even exchange.
Okay. No, that's cool then. So if I had the euro, or like it would be, I would pay for it in the euro prices. Is that what it is?
If you had the euro, yeah, you would be looking at all this versus euro versus US versus me looking at it in US dollars. Yep.
Oh, okay. I was kind of like gold. Yeah, it's kind of like the gold out here, because like when you buy gold out here, it's more expensive, but it's kind of cheaper still. Like it's just weird, because like a lot of the things cost the same amount of money out here.
Right.
But a lot of stuff is kind of different price, but it's kind of wild how it works out here. But I love it. I get a bag and then
So I'll say, so what currency out there where you at? Y'all use the euro dollar in Canada?
No. They do use Canadian dollars.
Canadian dollars.
So it's like I don't know what it is right now.
Yeah, see what that is to US dollars. I'd be curious to know.
That is 1 Canadian dollar is 78 cents.
Damn, so y'all shitting on the dollar then.
So think about that. Like, okay, yeah. No. It's the other way around. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all money, y'all.
Oh,
no. We shitting on y'all. We shitting on y'all. Yeah. We shitting on y'all.
Yeah. So you gotta think about it, like, so I tax somebody 20, 30 bands for a record. So it's like, that's like, let me see, what's 30 bands over here right now? Let me see. $38,623.
So 30 bands over here, 38,000 over there.
And like I say, it's a lot of things that cost the same.
Got you.
And that's like that everywhere. So if you just think about currency like that, then you start using the Bitcoin for something cool. And I got this over here and do that over there. You can't carry $1 million. You can't carry gold. You can't carry a lot of that stuff. But you can carry Bitcoin.
Facts.
You can't even carry. You can't carry, like, think if you needed to do like 10 million or 20 million, you can't carry that. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can have your bank accounts and all that, but all of that stuff, like, it charges you more. So it's just really like, it's not a wise investment to have all that revenue sitting in them bank accounts. Like, don't nobody do that.
Right.
The only people do that is us.
Right.
Nobody do that, bro.
Right.
You would buy $20 million worth of real estate and just sit it there like that. Then you can just liquidate it if you need to or something like that. Like, you can just sit it in any spot that you want to. You wouldn't want to sit it in the bank though and not make no revenue.
See,
$20 million turnkey.
One of the things we weren't taught, bro, we weren't taught that money was supposed to circulate and make money for you. You're not supposed to save money and sit on paper money. You're not supposed to save it. It's supposed to have some form of fashion function for you. It's an instrument, meaning it is supposed to perform for you. You get what I'm saying?
That's real. Now, when you first text off, I just got paid. And then I got paid again, and I'm going to continue to get paid forever just because I made this song. I'm going to make a whole bunch of songs then.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And then once I realized it ain't about making a whole bunch of songs, it's about who you make. It's about the quality of that intellectual property. You know what I'm saying? It's how much ROI can you make off of that intellectual property? I stopped talking about songs like, oh man, I got a hit record, or I was like, look, if I invest this amount of revenue into this IP, how much can I get back for my return? You know what I'm saying? That's how I talk about everybody's song. They're like, man, I got this cold artist, and I'm like, look. So if I put some revenue into this artist, how can I make the return? I'm not trying to hear none of that. I'm the coldest, and man, my bars is look, man.
It's business.
People that got bars that don't make no revenue. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, bro. So I don't play them type of games. So I just figured out the game. So I'm gonna produce this real good game for any other producers if they on the line.
I'm glad you're speaking on it. I'm glad you're speaking on it, brother. Go ahead, speak on it.
Make some iTunes beat CDs. So I don't get nobody no beat. You can't get no beat CD from me. But if you go on iTunes, I got albums on there. So think about it when you listening to beats to write. Don't you just playing it back to back to back to back to back to back because you write. You know? So it's like, man, it's busting out here. He said, hold on. I was listening to Club. No Wi-Fi. You know? I'll never be checking out the comments, man.
Nah, I'll be going through the comments. I'll be having to see if it's questions or comments.
Mm-hmm. Nah, I just be trying to put people on, man, because I don't really be in tune with everybody. You know, I don't be talking to everybody, you know.
Nah, I'm already knowing.
Consultations. Yeah, so I just be, you know, once in a while I throw out a whole bunch of little cool stuff, you know.
Nah, I'll be seeing you when you drop your shit, though.
But you be doing consulting with this stuff, too?
Yeah, hell yeah, bro. I literally get up at like 6 a.m. and start teaching people, and then end probably about 9 p.m. at night.
I'm gonna chop something up with you and try to figure out something with these artists, man, so I can try to get them to kind of comprehend some of this stuff, and they can use their Bitcoin stuff. Because now they got a lot of the ATMs and all that. Like, why don't people be getting ATMs? Like, y'all better start thinking. You know, like,
right? Hey, that's one of the moves. That's one of the moves, bro. You from the land, bro. So you already know how they deal with Chicago with Bitcoin out here in Chicago. Why wouldn't it pop into one of these niggas' minds? Let me buy the ATM and sell the rest of these cats Bitcoin instead of me being the consumer.
I don't know. That's how I felt when I started making music. I'm like, okay, so I could just make it myself. I don't gotta sign to nobody. I can make it myself, make my own revenue, and just like it's pretty much like printing money. Like music is printing money, bro.
It is.
Do nothing, especially when you're talented. Like once you get to a certain stature, which I accidentally did when I first started. Like I didn't have to do nothing else but just put something out, you know, or just do something. And then that was dope. And then it got mass promoted. Like I never promoted myself, none of that type of stuff. So it's just like it's just certain things. Like if it's a high quality, like I say, high quality IP, then you can make some revenue off of it.
Right.
You know? And music is just different ways to try to like, I don't know, to kind of value. It's hard to evaluate them. You know what I'm saying? It's not really easy to do because you don't know how people are going to react. But you could manipulate it by just doing the same thing they do in the movies. You know, manipulate the emotional factors. You know, put some emotion, put some realness into your music, and people don't really got no choice, especially if you putting stuff that people need because it's therapy. That's why they use it for therapy. So if you doing it and making some stuff that people need, you can do your little BS or whatever if you want to. But when you make the stuff that people need, like keep your head up, or just the good, I don't even want to say that one, but like something like that, something that'll like make you feel better. You know, those are the songs that win. You know.
So, tug of that soul, vibe with that body.
I just be paying attention to all of that stuff. Yeah, man. That's like people don't really comprehend that. Like that's what do it. Like that's the reason why when you're doing like internet marketing and all that type of stuff, when you're doing like testimonials and stuff, that's what they do testimonials for, so you could get a in-depth feeling of how it would feel to be the customer too. You know, if people don't do that, you gotta tap into all of that. You know what I'm saying? So I just be tapping into all of it. Like it's not really that hard. You know, it's just using your mind and then doing it and not being afraid. And a lot of people don't think that they can't do nothing. You know, so it's just that type of thing. You know, I've never been like that. I knew I could do everything I ever wanted to do.
There you go. Hey, that's how I've been all my whole life. Anything I've ever put my mind to, I just magic like shit like magic though, because I don't be understanding how I do the shit that I do. You know what I'm saying? It just ends up that I can do the shit like with this crypto shit, bro. I don't understand how I know this to be 100 to keep it a buck with you, bro. I don't understand why I understand the shit that I do. You get what I'm saying? I just download shit and the shit just be making sense out the blue.
Yeah, bro, it be the Most High just telling you like, use this for your benefit.
Right.
And because that's how it was with me with music. Like I wasn't like say, oh man, I want to be a producer when I grow up. I never do that. Man, we was rapping. Marvel was rapping. We went to the studio one day and this producer said he get $25,000 for a beat. I said, oh snap. People get $25,000 for them beats? Like, hold on, man. I better not know how to do that. And I made a beat on the MTV Music Generator. And Marvel wrote to it, and he was like, it was dope. I'm like, okay, well, that's it. No more rapping for me, you know. And I got a record deal, and I gave that to Marvel. That's how he got on with it.
Right.
That's my brother. So it's just like, I just be paying attention to stuff like that, man. So I be seeing stuff like, I see the future, man. Like, I be, y'all tweeting, like, yeah, we could do all of this. I can see where we finna be at, you know?
Definitely.
Hard,
History in the making. History in the making.
Maybe too.
And people got to understand how strong the mind is. Really, you could really program this whole thing to operate in the way that you want it to, because it's like a computer simulation. All you got to do is understand that it's been programmed by somebody else. Go in, break that shit, and then come back and reprogram your own shit to the way you wanted to work. And then you'll figure out that it was always working like that. It's just that somebody was like puppeteering the shit, even though you was making this shit happen. Somebody was puppeteering behind the scenes. You know what I'm saying? Almost like the Wizard of Oz, almost.
Yeah, I mean that's how everything works, you know. So if you just remember that, if you believe in whatever you need, yourself or whatever your entity you need to call it or whatever, you obviously know that you can't separate yourself from it. So it's obviously running you or helping you do something. You know what I'm saying? If you tap it into something, you know. So if you just understand and comprehend that, then you could just utilize it the same way. Like, you know, if somebody loves you, don't you think they'll set you up? Like, like in the coldest way possible, you know? So I don't know. That's just my take on that, man. It's not that hard. Not that hard to comprehend, you know what I'm saying?
No, definitely not.
The latter is very hard to comprehend.
Family, what I'm showing y'all right now is an XPOS, which is a portable point of sale system that an individual can purchase, and you can become a buyer and seller, basically a portable ATM machine, as well as a point of sale system if you're a merchant. So if you got merch for sale, you can utilize these machines in order to accept cryptocurrency, as well as Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit cards. But the main feature is the cryptocurrency that you can exchange. And like I said, you can be a two-way ATM machine for individuals that want to get into the space. So not only can we set these up in places out here like Belvedere Blues and sell the Pellies for the Bitcoin, if people want to load up, they can load up at Belvedere Blues, if it's even open. I ain't been out in a while, but you know what I'm saying? That's the idea. That's the thought process. That's how individuals want to start thinking, going into this.
Definitely check on this. Is it international?
Yeah, yep.
No, oh, it is. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna check this out.
Yeah.
Like, bro, that's the thing about here too. Like, that's the reason why I'm out here so hard, because it's like ain't no hustlers really out here. Like, it's people that hustle and stuff, but they don't know what they're missing because they ain't never lived in no place like Chicago. You know what I'm saying? So they don't know all the stuff that be happening all the time, that you could get anything that you ever needed or ever wanted in Chicago just by asking somebody. Like, somebody got it. You know what I'm saying? For the price, for the low, for the high, for the something. Somebody always got it. So it's just like, man, they don't got nothing like that out here. So it's just like, I just see so much stuff that they need to do, and this is definitely one of them. I definitely tap into this one.
Nah, I got you, bro.
Get you out here doing some stuff too.
Man, let's make it happen. And as we look at this, bro, I got my man's who distribute these within the United States. He's my right hand, so I can definitely put you in the front door with him. You ain't even got to go to this website. I'll give you his phone number. You can talk to him directly.
Yeah, let's do that, bro. That sounds like a plan, because I was actually looking into regular ATMs, but I don't like them. You know what I'm saying? It's not really wise. Like, don't nobody want to do that no more. Like what? Go to I'll figure out another way to do that. And something a little more innovative and stuff like that. Like, I like that type of stuff, man.
Let me see if I can get him on though.
Like,
let me see if I can tag him real quick and get him on here. Let me see. I think it's the way I can call him. If you use platform for trading, you would have got them in your wallet. Just have to go to the site to claim. Okay, yeah. In order for y'all to get the 1 inch, hey, bro, it's so crazy in this space, right? They talking about, I'm not even talking about the economy is fucked up, but they got people sitting back waiting for these stimulus packages to drop and whatnot, bro. They just did like $1 billion airdrop again, my dude. It's like the second time in the last couple of months they done gave away about $1 billion worth of cryptocurrency. It's several of my former students that hit me like, man, I just got 1,200 in my wallet. I just got 1,600 in my wallet. I just got 1,400 in my wallet. Out the blue for free while people sitting back waiting for $600. You know what I'm saying?
No, that's real. It's real for sure.
But this ain't hitting the news though. This type of stuff not hitting the news. It's not known to the mainstream that it's going on.
The news is food.
Exactly.
Food games. I do not watch that stuff. To get info from there, my peoples, you have to. Yeah, you ain't got no information. You know, not you, but you know what I'm saying. If these people like really just tapping into only that, man, they really don't know nothing. You know, I was in the military, so I know what they be doing to y'all. They be tearing y'all ass up with the misinformation. You know, so it's just like, man, I keeping it like, oh,
look at this. Let me cover this story. A DeFi trader scores over 20 million in 1-inch token Christmas airdrop. One serial DeFi user now controls about 11% of 1-inch token supply following the exchange's governance token distribution event. On Christmas Day, the decentralized exchange aggregator server 1inch has released its governance and utility token. As part of the launch, the platform airdropped 90 million 1-inch token to users who had previously traded on the exchange. That means any and everybody that ever traded on this got this airdrop for free. According to the data from on-chain analytic provider, Dune, the highest recipient of the free token distribution, received 9,749,686 tokens that were worth $27.5 million at the peak price of $2.80 per token. An examination of the address with the largest initial claim shows significant yield farming activity with a lot of lending and loan collateral supply transactions. Family, this is why I'm introducing y'all to the real cryptocurrency space, the real decentralized space, blockchain technology, the innovation that's going on over here, not just buying and selling. Yeah, that shit's cool, hold, hodl, whatever. But we got a whole new economy, a whole new ecosystem that's being built over here. And just from participating in that ecosystem, they are making it incentivized for individuals to come over here and start being the pioneers in this space. Let me go on. The address has also been active on automated market maker platforms such as Uniswap and SushiSwap, which we got a Uniswap airdrop, maybe 2 or 3 months ago. Man, I think when I first woke up and I looked at my wallet, it was like 2,300 in the wallet when I first woke up, just out the blue. In total, now this is how small the space is, bro. This is how small they gave over 90 million coins away to only 55,000 addresses out of how many billion people it is in the world. Once again, in total, over 55,200 addresses are eligible to claim the free 1-inch tokens, with more than half the coins already claimed, according to Dune. The average total sum across the addresses was about 1,629 tokens, with qualified addresses assured of at least 600 coins. So that means if you use this platform, you're getting about 600 coins. We'll say at what, $2.80 it peaked. So now we're looking at a possible stimulus check from the crypto world in the amount of $1,680. The U.S. government wants to give you 600. 1inch just gave you 1,600, right? To qualify for the airdrop, a trader must have completed a transaction on the platform before September 15th. Users who executed 4 trades in total or transactions valued at least $20. All you had to do was spend $20, folks, before December 24th are also eligible to claim the free tokens. 1inch was up by 16% in just 24 hours, with a trade price reaching $2.90, but has since dropped off to around $2. That's why you should have sold at the top. The airdrop event is coming on the heels of the project successfully raising $12 million in a Pantera Capital-backed funding round earlier in December. There you have it, folks. That's how we got the airdrop for those that participated. And this is basically what they doing. That's what I'm saying. It's so much space and so much room. Hey, look, it ain't crowded over here. That's what I'm gonna tell everybody. It ain't crowded over here. It's room.
Mm-hmm.
It's room.
Yeah, no, it's definitely a a new way to to maneuver. You know what I'm saying? To figure out how to do this stuff. Like people want to do so much stuff, and they be just trying to figure out ways to do it. These are different ways that you can do it.
Definitely.
And it's just understanding how finance actually works. And once you understand how finance actually works, you can understand how to use anything. I use my leverage from my personal celebrity. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
There's plenty of things that you could use and you could leverage, man. Like, you just gotta know it. You just gotta understand how this stuff works, And if you don't know something, you have no excuse because you got the internet right there. And y'all will learn how to do the goofiest shit in the world. So it's just like, man, y'all might as well figure out how to do this real stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Right. We be putting so much energy into doing some of these challenges, which, let me say this, it's not to knock anybody to have a good time with their family or nothing and ha every once in a while, but it's too much attention being put on the bullshit. Let me say that.
Yeah, for real. But I mean, we could be honest and say that you don't need to be on the bullshit at all. You know what I'm saying?
Not in these days and times. Definitely not. Not in these days and times.
It's way too. That's mental illness now. So it's just like, we could play the game and be like, oh, no, we ain't got to do that.
Right.
So my thing is like, man, everybody just needs to use their brain, man. And I sit on the computer and anything I don't know, I figure that out. Like that's if I know something like I should at least understand enough not to for everything we know something about. So I have no excuse. Like none. There's not any excuse unless you just feel like being ignorant, And I ain't one of them type of people.
Nor am I. But you got brothers and sisters out there, bro. I be around brothers and sisters that I'll be jamming with and demoing with, and I know that they know better, and they choose to just stay within the the realm of the ignorant because it's outside of being the cool or the norm.
It be like that. Yeah, it be like that with everything. It's even like that in the music. Like you could bring somebody to the door and they get to acting weird because they scared. They're scared to be successful, man. They don't really want it. You know what I'm saying? They don't want to do what they don't want to be on the hook for nothing. Like when people, oh yeah, we're gonna sign you for $1 million. They be like, oh snap, I didn't think this was actually going to happen. And then they get petrified, and then it doesn't go through. You can ask plenty of like CEOs and all that. It's plenty of amazing artists that got to that door and was like, nah, I'm good. I don't. Like they just, the heat, man. Like people don't want to be successful. Like they might act like they do until it's time to perform.
Damn, I never would have knew that. You say people that got to the door and was like, this shit too much pressure. What is too much pressure?
Man, to the door. See, yeah, all of that. Think about not having nothing one day, and then tomorrow you got everything that you need. And all you got to do is perform now, because it's dependent upon your performance. It's not dependent upon you just being this great guy before. Like you got to continue to be. You got to be way greater now. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no excuse no more because they're giving you some revenue for it.
Right.
And then once you get, especially if you don't understand contracts and stuff, you're gonna look at just nervous and you ain't even gonna read it. You're just gonna sign it because you want some money and all these types of weirdo things, And I don't advise nobody does nothing like that.
Double back again. You say if you don't understand what? You say contracts? You gotta understand contracts, huh?
Yeah, all of that. Just understanding that, just regular, like when you having a conversation with somebody, that's a transaction. Somebody's and is what transactions are, like, So, people that get it, man. It's just, you gotta want to. Some people want it, some people are afraid of it. Like I said, they just don't. Some people are addicted to being like hurt or addicted to being like, in bad positions. They love it. It's like an adrenaline rush. Like it'd be weird, man. I've seen that plenty of times. It's wild. It's wild for sure.
Yeah, you had to be there to see it though, man. It'd be a lot of things going on behind the doors. Whereas if you weren't there to witness it,
man, I could tell y'all the craziest things in the world, man. These people is nuts, man. As soon as you get somebody a couple dollars, they turn weird, like extremely weird. That's why you couldn't catch me doing nothing like that. I was chilling. I figured it out early. Like, okay, this ain't it. Let me do this the right way, Because these people, everybody, like I said, I started with Kanye and all these people. So I just watched everybody's situation. So I was like, okay, I'm definitely not doing that. I seen what they did with Ye. They just took his sound. Like when he went over there to Rockefeller, you know, they wasn't sounding like that. They weren't making beautiful soul samples, and that was Kanye. Like Just Blaze was making that. Yeah, that wasn't what he was on with that. I watched them steal the sound, and then you see what they did to Young Chop. Everybody sound like Young Chop now, but that's why they be signing people. You know, they sign you so they put you underneath their thing. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
It's like they just trying to get your intellectual properties, but you got to understand that. But you sit around here thinking about, man, I got the coldest beats, and I know, bro. You got intellectual properties that they need, that they could duplicate if you sit in a studio for 9 months. You know, like, come on, man. That's why they be having producers in there. They have all types of people in there just soaking up all of your energy, taking all of your little tools and sounds and kits and patterns and strategies. Boy, I don't even let people be in the studio with me. Like, you in the studio with me, you just spend a lot of money, and you not know producer. Awesome. Now, standing that's now or this contact or this anything like that, they can't just take that and go cut you out the game, you know, and then you got non-competition. Just because you gave them all of that, they can't just take that and then do the same thing that you doing. So people don't understand what that is, and they don't provide that for people when they're giving out information. You know, you can't even really talk to me without me signing that. I don't want you knowing nothing about my business. I don't want none of that. That's wise. I'll give you $1 million worth of game for some stuff that I'm about to do. You know? And then you, oh man, that was dope. And you just go try to do it. Nah, bro. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes it don't even be malicious like that. It just be, you know, you sat around, you heard that, and then 12 months later, you think you had an epiphany. Like, oh man, I should do this. Man, that sounds amazing. You don't know that you got that from me. You know, so that's what that stuff is for too. It's just for protection. You know, because it don't be intentional a lot of the times. You know, I say it don't be intentional more times than it's intentional. You know, because people don't just want to. You know, they know that you know, so it ain't like they're just trying to do it.
That's interesting. That's good intel too. That's good intel. I got people tuning in, man. People really listening in on what you got to say. You know, I'm showing them crypto, but they're listening to you demo.
Yeah, man. It's really, yeah. You can still hear me?
Yeah. You breaking up a little bit, but when you was demoing, it was catching everything you were saying.
Okay, cool.
Let me check my YouTube viewers. I forgot I was live on YouTube. Let me make sure YouTube's still coming through. I wonder if they can even still hear me. It's likely to keep running the airdrops. I have 3 wallets. When Uni dropped, they claim 400 Uni off each. Whatever you give your attention to, you energize. YouTube, can y'all hear my brother Heron Tracks L on YouTube? I got 40 viewers on YouTube. That's decent. Not nothing strong, but let me know if y'all can hear my brother coming through. We are live on IG right now. If y'all want to tune in, we streaming live on IG and YouTube late night, 1:47 a.m. Chicago time. Just watching these crypto markets go kind of crazy and then talking a little bit of game with my brother over here. Let me see. That's when I first got into crypto. Okay. Yeah, just a little. Okay, yeah, he a little bit choppy, but he coming through. He a little bit choppy. They can hear you though, so that's good. That's good. What I'm gonna do?
Yeah, pardon me, y'all. Canada, man, this stuff.
Yeah, he out in Canada land right now.
Let me see.
So the connection ain't all the way there. But like I say, when you was when you was dropping it though, it was like running smoothly, like it wasn't even cutting you out. And then like when you try to like maybe clarify or stop and then start talking it'll chop it up.
Yes, the most high one is out to hear that one.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, yeah. I can dig it.
I know they say you going in. They say family really going in. Yeah. They can hear you. Cool. Hear you good both on YouTube and IG. That's Central Time. Don't try to leave us out in Indiana. What that Index Coop looking like? I got the end. This is another airdrop, family. In fact, let me go look at Index Coop. So this is another airdrop we had got a couple months back. Whereas if you participated on token sets and grabbed up some of the DPI tokens, which is the DeFi Pulse Index, which is a basket of different cryptocurrencies. It's one financial instrument, but it allows you exposure to a basket of different decentralized instruments or financial instruments being digital assets. So instead of you having to make the choice of, do I want to buy Synthetics Network, Aave, Uniswap, Yearn, Compound? Let me see who else they got within this basket. Maker, Ren, Loopring, Kyber Network, or Balancer, right? You can just sit back and buy this one token, which is up 18.64% for the day, and it allows you exposure to all of these tokens wrapped in one. You know, now for me purchasing this coin, I was given an airdrop of this coin, the Index Coup, right? They gave us 50 free tokens in our wallet just for buying this token in the beginning. And like I say, it's just another incentive of you being first in line, first in time. Remember, family, that airdrop, 55,000 wallets. 55,000 wallets. I think it's 55,000 people within the city of Chicago, ain't it? Let me see. What's the Chicago population? Let me see. I don't know. I may be off. I don't be knowing my numbers.
Yeah, it's like 3 million or something like that.
Damn, it's 8 million, bro.
You right. You know what I'm saying? Like you just turned Chicago into I don't know how it is.
In the Country Club Hills or some shit like that.
I feel like because we be around there. Yeah, maybe Country Club Hills, they probably got 100.
Yeah, just like the indices, yeah. So you think I just waited out? Oh, about the Polkadot. Somebody was asking me about have I done my research on the Polkadot platform? Yes, I have. I love Polkadot. Let me not stop saying I love shit, but I like the Polkadot network. I like what they're doing as far as the technology. I like the platforms that are integrating with them and partnering with them. So I forgot to answer that for the brother. But let's look at this. There's over 8.8 million people in Chicago. They just did an airdrop of only 55,000 wallets. That's not even a large percentage of the amount of people. That means they only gave that money out to a small suburb out of everybody, not even in the whole world, but in the United States. Man, this shit is crazy, bro, when I look at the numbers. Because there's nobody over here doing what I'm doing, bro. Like, people can say, and there ain't nobody over here doing what I'm doing. Not at the magnitude of what I am, how I'm hitting different curves, hitting different blocks, because everything I'm doing you can't bottle it up into one thing and say, oh, he does Bitcoin, because that's bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Everybody say they do Bitcoin. You know what I mean? But not too many people are dived in or as head deep as I am in this rabbit hole. To whereas, like I say, it's a whole ecosystem. And when we look at the collective, go ahead, bro.
Like some of the guys, I was just saying that some of the guys telling me that you was out here going crazy. So I've been new, and you know, we talked a little bit about it before, but I've been new. You was on that going crazy, you know, just the currency piece.
That's a count without Harvey Dalton. Okay, yeah, without Harvey Dalton. Do you leverage trade? Yeah, the only way I trade is with leverage. Have you looked into the helium mining? Nah, not the helium mining, but I do have a helium wallet, and I do hold HNT in it. Chicago order number definitely undernumbered, definitely. Oh yeah, undernumbered. He says about 10 million. It probably is. Them numbers. Yeah, that's another thing, family. Don't read that. Don't believe everything you read. That's an estimated 8.8 million. It's definitely about 10 million people in Chicago. Definitely about 10 million people. I think you done muted out, bro. I don't know if I can hear you. Yeah, I think Trax. I think my brother Trax. When he's still in here with us though. Let me see what else we got going on in the space though. Let's see what the most updated news in the cryptocurrency space is. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna also open the line for anybody else to come in and ask any questions if y'all got questions. All y'all got to do is tag the line. Yeah, nope, I can't hear you, bro. Nope, can't hear you no more. Can't hear you no more. Cannot hear you no more. It's 100% muted. Muted. Hey, this dude's an asshole. Don't listen to this dude. These be the type of people. Bitcoin is irrelevant and investors are going to weep. These are the type of assholes that be having a big ass bag of Bitcoin and be talking the most shit. Don't listen to this asshole. Durbit. My brother Trax L had linked out. So you think Family, if y'all got any questions, y'all can go ahead and tune in. Y'all got any questions, y'all can go ahead and tune in. Let me see. Durbit adds options to allow Bitcoin traders to bet on rally to 120 and 140K. Wow. That's what they opening the door for. That's what they opening the door for. Even White says now is the time for enterprises to look at ETH 2.0. Y'all long Ethereum? All the clowns that diss Bitcoin have it. Big facts. Big facts. Yeah, it just froze somebody funds. Let's see. XRP cryptocurrency crashes following announcement. Let's look at XRP real quick. Let's sit back and look at the charts. Let's take a look and see what's going on. That's Bitcoin. This is Ethereum. This is Litecoin performing very well. And then we have Ripple. Now, I know it's a lot of people that weren't happy with my and then a lot of people, you know how many people talk shit to me when it bounced in and came in my inbox like, hey, Ripple's shooting back up. Yeah, it pumped, I sold, and then it dumped back down. So no, this ain't the one, family. This really ain't the one. But yeah, it'd be funny when people talk shit to me when Ripple be pumping, and then you come and you look at the aftermath of it, and like, yeah, right here when it dumped, right? People came in my inbox like, yeah, you said the dumb Ripple, ha 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 ha, and then boom. just dump the shit on y'all heads. And family, all I'll be trying to do is let y'all know that it's a smarter way to invest versus just buying something based off the hype. Even though Ripple, listen, this is the thing. Ripple and XRP, number one, ain't the same thing. Ripple is the company. XRP is just a currency. RippleNet is the highway. XRP is just a vehicle. You can drive on that highway with other vehicles. You don't have to use their vehicle in order to drive on that highway, right? Number one. So when we look at the Ripple, come on now. Where's the interest at? You know what you don't hear? You know what you don't hear? You do not hear about these big investors buying up. You know what people always tell me? Hey, I seen the article. I read an article, or I seen the at the G5 summit hearing some shit. They were talking about XRP is going to be the cross-border payment system. So then, do y'all really think they want a currency that's $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10 to them to be transacting back and forth with, or do they want something that's a couple of pennies so they can use the most amount? It's a payment system, family. It doesn't have to increase in value for it to be a payment system. And they're steady offloading more shares from the founders that are released to them every couple of months, if I'm not mistaken, onto the heads of unsuspecting investors. So for those that are heavily invested in Ripple that don't like my commentary on it, just go learn technical analysis. I'm going to tell you something. You can keep your Ripple, right? Go learn technical analysis and then come back and look at the XRP chart and tell me what you would have made the exact same decisions you made had you knew technical analysis beforehand. There's no way that you can be an analyst of charts and look at this and say that this is in any way, shape, or form healthy. Or say that it's consolidating and it's waiting to, nah. I haven't found one that says that. And then if we are just going off the tech, look here. You rejected this was really right here. You couldn't get past this wick high and you rejected again and then dump right below your previous low here. This is what I am gonna say. If you break back below 2750, this support level right here, and start trending below it, yeah, y'all be able to get y'all ripples for 21 cents. Y'all be able to get y'all ripples for 16 cents. And then below there, y'all be able to get y'all ripples for 6 cents. And then below there, y'all be able to get y'all ripple for 0.008 of a penny. So y'all have some nice cheap ripples. Now, this is the thing. Don't get it twisted and think I'm still not going to make money off Ripple because I know how to short, as well as I know how to pick off the bottoms when I see it start doing something like it wants to bounce, right? I just don't have to invest in it blindly. And that's the most major thing. I stopped buying XRP a year ago. It was too stable for me for it to be what they say it is. What's a good yielding coin? There's a lot of them. Most people don't hit charts. They read news only. Right. That's where they get it messed up at because they only read the news. Family, the news will send you clean the fuck off. 12 million in LA, 15 million in New York City, and 5.5 million in Philly. Wow. And only 55,000 addresses got this airdrop of free money. So now let's just break it down to 55,000 people. And I'm gonna tell you something, that ain't always the truth either, because I know I had about, man, I had a couple, depending on how many wallets you use, family, especially if you're teaching these classes and whatnot, bro, no one breaks the shit down like you. Thanks, brother Nitty. Thanks. And that's what I was talking about earlier. I don't know how I can break the shit down like I do. I don't understand why I understand what I understand. Just to be honest, some people say it's a gift. Whatever it is, I'm gonna run with it though. Algo Bull going down in the dumps. But nah, really been performing nicely though. Really low key been performing nicely. You know what I'm waiting to bust though? Is this XRP? I mean, damn, I got XRP on my brain. ETH, Ethereum. Ethereum got one more level to hit. Well, damn, not really. Let me see where we at right now. If Ethereum holds above $550, even if it consolidates within that realm, next target $838. We at 651 right now. Let's take a look at Wi-Fi. In fact, let me take a look at they ain't gonna be able to see it on YouTube, but they'll be able to see it on IG. Let me see something real quick. Let me look at my Wi-Fi position and see what's going on. I just entered a position on Wi-Fi not too long ago. I want to see, am I up or am I down? Let's see. Where are we at? Here we go. So as you can see, I bought one Wi-Fi. For those that are on Instagram, I bought one Wi-Fi at $22,910. Right now it's trading at 22,000. No, that's no. Where's my entry at? Ah, there it is. That's my entry. Excuse me. My average open price was 22,228. Right now it's selling at 22,885. So up $622. I opened this up when I woke up. I slumbered off and then woke up and opened it up. Hoping I caught the bottom though. So right now we in profit. I may add to the position though. I may add to that position on Wi-Fi. Scale in as it dips down like it's doing now, right? And let me see. Let me pull this up on so YouTube can follow along with what we're looking at here. Let's see. We can pull it up on FTX actually. So let's go take a look. Nice little sell stop. Right. That's a risk I'm willing to take to the downside. Let's see, probably pick up some more orders here at about 22,678 on a pullback there. Let's go ahead and add on an order here. Buy. Let's do 0.1. That'll be about $2,317 worth. We'll do that at 678 maybe. Where was we at? You're looking for a pullback back down to recent support levels. 600, 22,600. 600 even. Let's do 1.5. About 3,300. Grab about 1.5 there. And then we got our order set. There you go. 1.5 set at 22.6. So see if we get a pullback right here. See if we can hold above here. Even if we wick down, let's get picked up there. Let me see. Low is. I would like to pick up some lower entry levels too. What would that be? That would be 22,300. We can do 22,300 too. Now, another method I like to do is the fishing method, right? And that's by way of me placing trailing stops. Let me show and bring this up over here. Hold on. And you got Wi-Fi over here, the perps too. So I may start trying to interact with those. This is what we're looking at right here. Wi-Fi. There we go. Oh yeah, so with the trailing stop, right? I can do a $300 trailing stop buy. And what that's going to do is right now that $300 order is going to be $300 above the level that I'm at. But if it drops $300, it's going to drop my order $300 and it's going to bring it down here. So when it pops back up, it picks my order back up. Let's see what the viewers are saying. ETH headed to 1K. Yep. Even if you're down. Peace. Algorand going down. You say that? Yeah. I mean, Algorand, I like the Algorand project. XLM. Word you to go. Thank you. Showtime, what's going on? So you catch the dips for a buy and then sell on new highs or resistance rejections, typically, if I'm trading. What do you do now if you're an XRP owner? What's the best way out, in your opinion? The best way, man, I don't even want to be an asshole with it, though, but I've been saying to sell XRP since it was about 60, 70 cents. I don't even want to be an asshole about it. If you're still holding XRP after all that, I can't give any type of advice. Well, either you should hold or just buy more. I don't know. You know, man, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I was as transparent as I could be for anybody that's holding XRP. I was super transparent about it. If you're still holding it through all that, I can't answer any. I don't know. Hold. I mean, I don't know what type of capital you put in it. I don't know how down you are. I don't know any of that. You know what I mean? It's a different strokes for different folks. That's what I did with Siri. It's up there. ETH. Sometimes you lose. Yeah, sometimes you do. What's the reason behind that play? What play? I don't know what you're talking about. DAI is a stable coin, so whenever that 984 is worth, you keep it that number. What wall are you guys in the chart using? Chart in the chat. Peace, family. What program is that you working on? You don't want to hold it. You don't want to keep holding it and then keep losing it. If you believe it will go back up, hold it. But for me, I get with it later. Psy and MDAI, I'm chilling on DAI until the switch. That out. No, that wasn't Trading View. No, not Binance. Yeah, somebody said it FTX. Thanks for the advice, Indiana. I'm gonna look into consider doing that. Yeah, good looking, bro. That's the better information I could have gave. Good luck or find a leprechaun if you hold XRP. Damn. Let me see what is we looking at here. Open this up to a 4-hour real quick. There we go. I can almost guarantee you that's about 382 maybe. Hold on. I guarantee that's what 236, 382, maybe 50%. 50 to 618. Let me see. Let me do that over here real quick. Let me do it over here. You copped in there the tokenized stocks yet? No. Not me personally. What were we just looking at? A 4-hour. %. I told you. About a 50% retracement. Oh, there we go. Y'all can see it. That's what I was looking at over here. I was trying to tell what it was. It was a 50% retracement, though. And that's what I mean. When you start looking at this enough, you can tell what you'll be able to just see the technical analysis. It won't even. I'm just drawing what I already see with my eyes. You know what I'm saying? So it's not like I'm looking for. I'm already seeing it with my eyes. But anyways, 236 is your resistance level. So right now with the play and the way that it's looking, let me see. We just came out of. What are we doing? Looking like we're getting another round of positive momentum coming in. Let's look at the daily. What do we got? Negative momentum is starting to lose. 4-hour, 2-hour. Okay, on the 2-hour, we're coming out of negative momentum. Getting our first couple of bars of positive momentum. Could be impeding price action to the upside. I may want to scale in a little more than what I did, though. We can get that pullback. I just need to pull back a little bit. Pick those other orders up and then get that move up to around 23. I mean, even if we cross what? I'll be happy with 23,280. Start taking profit there and then scale back in on a pullback. Stopping buying can be done on a lot of KuCoin, Binance, Bittrex, Polynex, FTX, BitMax, Bybit, on a lot of them. Let me see. Let me see who's trending right now in the search. These are the trending searches. Power Trade Fuel, 1 inch, APY Finance. Zilliqa been going ham, boy. I ain't gonna lie, I missed that Zilliqa pump. I missed it. Damn, Power Trade up 69%. Still only 31 cents though, but I ain't done enough research on it to tell. Let's see. Well, no, it really ain't took off yet. It's only up 90% in the last 30 days, to be honest. It's really not up that bad. In fact, in the last 24 hours, you're up exactly the same amount if you'd have held it for the last 2 weeks. You see that? If you'd have bought this 2 weeks ago, that means you lost. If you bought this 2 weeks ago, right? For you to be up 67% in the last 2 weeks, but up 69% in the last 24 hours, right? That means since the last 14 days. Yeah, because in the last 14 days, you're up 60. If you had it from right now, yeah, that's correct. You're only up 2% more in the last 24 hours. Check out Murr. You ain't got none of that Curve token or I got Curve token, not Celsius though. I don't really deal with anything that's centralized. So no, I don't have any Celsius, but I do got Curve though. I'm in the Curve platform. In fact, no, I'm not gonna show y'all all that. I think I'll be letting a little bit too much go sometimes. Yeah, they is. I'm just cool on it. I'm cool on it. If Celsius is what I'm thinking about, Celsius Network, that is a centralized platform, ain't it? I may be wrong. Let me look. Hold on. Sell. Let's see. Celsius Network. I may be wrong. I'll put my foot in my mouth. Hold on. Let's take a look. Family, ain't nobody else bringing y'all this content. I got 44 viewers. Shout out to the 44. Ain't nobody else bringing y'all this content late night. Nobody else bringing y'all this content late night. Not the truth. Raw and uncut like this. Thoughts on Bitcoin's current run? Institutional money. If we invest in any altcoin, it could be risky. Bitcoin is the best. I'm sad. That's why I'm commenting here. No money to invest. What? I don't even know what's going on over here on Facebook. Hold on. I mean on YouTube. Hold on. You know about Consumer Network alongside Priceless for the minority communities. So many are afraid in something new and would rather be comfortable getting left behind. Facts. It's choppy. I can't believe it. What about Guap Coin? Trying to catch up. Glad I took the class. Wouldn't you about you? I wouldn't know about you if it wasn't for Brother Rich. Shout out Brother Rich, Black Magic 363. Pump and dump all day. People marry that XRP bag for no reason at all. I don't get it. Neither do I. Ripple claims non-Americans have the most, but funny how XRP ain't moved since Americans been blocked. I'm from poor world Pakistan. My monthly income is around $250. How can I get the benefit from this great opportunity? By investing in crypto. When you short, is that part of technical analysis? Book you can recommend? Nah, I don't know any books I can recommend. Short is just shorting the assets, a short sell, where you borrow the asset at a higher price with hopes to give it back with interest later on when the price goes down, allowing you to sell it at that higher price and buy it back cheaper. How many successful people need to tell you that you control the reality with manifested throughout before you believe? Facts. Yeah, I know the first step is to get to $200 in my part, poor world too. $200, you don't need $200. People turn $200 into many thousands all the time. Man, you put $20 in here, bro. Buddy just coming in from Pakistan. If you can spare $20, you can start. I mean, I understand it's a dollar difference, but it ain't even about $20. Whatever your dollar denomination is, the dinar or I don't know, but yeah, it's enough. I mean, if you really don't have it, there's video games over here that you can play. For those that are outside of the country that are in certain areas where the currency value is quite huge, there's a big difference. There's games that people are playing right now that are making monthly incomes. Facts. Let me see. Earn, borrow, manage assets. Let's see. Get the app. Because somebody tell me, I think, ain't this a centralized platform? I tell my bros do $5 a week and run it up. $5 a week. There you go. $5 a week. We're all gonna be rich. There you go. You definitely the truth. My man is going crazy. Appreciate that, my guy Jims. Yeah, fam, appreciate you. Salute, salute, salute. You're right. In fact, for those that appreciate me, if y'all really want to, I really don't do this, but hey, why not? Might get some. Might be lucky and get $1. There y'all go. For those that appreciate me, y'all go ahead and send a donation if you so choose. Hey, but somebody tell me, ain't Celsius a centralized platform? If I'm not mistaken. Damn, Bitcoin ran back up to 27,600. When we were just looking at it, it was 27. What was it? 27. Dropped back down to about 300. That was a nice little scalp position. Somebody could have ended on that breakdown. Hey, I'm gonna tell y'all what the winner is though. Anybody that's been following me with the token sets, I'm gonna tell y'all which one what's the winner. This one right here. Not man, them yield farm sets been winning too. But this one right here, the BTC RSI crossover yield set, boy, ain't nothing won like this one. Ain't nothing won like this one. Because it doesn't trade off the price of Bitcoin, it trades off the RSI. Let's break this down to a year ago. Family, I'm gonna end this in a minute, and I might chop it up in chopping it up in the night, chopping it up in the Clubhouse. For those that follow on Clubhouse, go ahead and check me out in there. Bitcoin Bully 44, Bitcoin Bully 44. Celsius is centralized. They demand KYC. There you go. Yeah, that's why I never looked at them. I really don't deal with centralized platforms, though. From a monetary investment standpoint, they may do good. Hey, Link is another one that's failing too, family. That's another one that people have been chasing and running after it pumped. Link right now, even though Link's one hell of a project, don't get me wrong, Link is not an XRP. Link is not an XRP, but it is selling off. So y'all just got to understand the difference between. Nah, never, man. You'll get it. Because then I think certain stuff that I says makes people decide to do certain other things and be like, well, maybe I need to sell this, and I don't want nobody making no financial decisions based off of what I share. Damn, crypto, I'm behind. No, you're not behind. You here, so you're a little bit ahead of everybody else. You're a little bit ahead of everybody else. Let me see. So back in July, how much was this? $100. This was $100 back in June. Shit, it was only 90 some odd dollars back in July. And then we can see how, oh, there we go. How it's rallied since then. Now, the thing I like about this is that when Bitcoin goes bearish, right? This is what I like about these token sets. When Bitcoin goes bearish, right, and price starts to drop, it knocks you out, and then you gain interest. You just gain interest on your money. Look at that. The 29th, the 30th. You're getting about a penny a day in interest while the market is bearish. Meaning you're not losing $1. I'm going backwards again, just to show you. Look at the dates. So Bitcoin was rebalanced here, right? Let's see. Where do we have a rebalance? I think right here we had a rebalance. And we came back in, shot up, went up to about a 120, broke back down, 119, 122. And then bam, we broke down to 115 and then rebalanced. And that basically means that it knocks you out and you gain interest on your money. While the rest of the market is going down, you're stabilizing. All you're doing is just gaining interest, right? And then you enter back in the market and it picks up the trading for you. And then when you go bearish again, it's going to knock you out. So right now we're at $296. So if it knocks us out, we'll probably get knocked out around maybe 250 or something. And then we'll just gain interest on that 250. It's token sets. All these are apps that I show y'all. Any and everything that I ever show y'all is an app. It's a decentralized application. So you got to learn your way around a smart contract wallet or a Web3 browsing wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. That's the number one thing. You got to learn your way around that. Where do you get token sets? Tokensets.com. Is the RSI the best indicator? There is no best indicator. Family, let me say this once again. There is no best nothing over here. I don't even. There's no best currency, no best indicator, no best tool, no best altcoin, no best investment. Stop looking for the best of everything because you're damn near never gonna find it. There's no such thing as the best. It's just balance. It's just balance. You find the balance of everything. So if I'm looking at the look at my chart. Look at my chart. Look at how much different things is on here, but it balances itself out to me. It's all just one smooth, even though it's 3, 4, maybe. Let me see. Let's look at something. I don't think I put nothing together that's been too difficult to look at lately. No, because it's been easy to chart it. But even when I do though, it all blends together and melts together in just one harmonious picture to me. So there is no is this the best or is that the best? You know what I'm saying? It's just whatever works for you. Should I sell Link? Don't ask. I told y'all don't ask me should you sell or buy anything. I don't give financial advice. I don't know what y'all should do with the investments that y'all made. I only know what I do with mine. Now, what I did was instead of me having to invest in Link, you know what I did? I mean, this is after the pump. Of course, I had Link sold, but once I figured that they had this thing over here, let's see. Here we go. And you see right now it's in 100% USDC. Very bearish. Instead of me having to buy Link, I just bought the Link RSI set, which is up still 8%. Because why? Look, we rebalanced right here on December 4th. So on December 4th, right, token sets knocked me out of my position of Link, which let's see. Where was Link trading at December 4th? Oh, wow. Okay. Let's see. Right here on this drop right here. See that big red candlestick right there? That's where we rebalanced that up here at around $12. Right now it's at $11. So we rebalanced early. Grab a piece of each one of those token sets. How do we tokenize my art, music, or any creative work I'm working on? You can use Mintbase. So you use each individual site to buy rather than one app. There's no one app that's going to sell the amount of things that I show you all, Queen. There's no one app where you can get everything I show y'all. Now, I haven't checked out the Tezos DeFi yet. Nope. For those that want to tokenize art, music, content, go to mintbase.io. You got to learn how to use it, though. It's a virtual economy starter pack, NFT factory. NFT stands for non-fungible tokens. This is where you tokenize all your stuff. Art, tickets, photography, you decide. There you go. So this is like Yearn where it yields farm for you automatically. No, this ain't yield farming. Nope, it's trading for you. It's an ERC20 token that if you're talking about the Link RSI set, it's an ERC20 token which performs within a specific trading strategy. And this trading strategy performs based off of the RSI indicator. Yep, you can sell on OpenSea. But no, it's not yield farming at all. It's just it buys Link when it goes up above a certain measure on the RSI and sells it when it goes below a certain measurement on the RSI. Yeah, this is what y'all want to do for Mintbase. I'm tired, family. I got a consultation in the AM, and I got to go live for my private group. Family, if y'all really looking for a real nice community, if you really willing to invest in yourself and invest in the information, check out my new Money Matrix Discord. I got a real nice community built over there now, man. I didn't expect it to get as big as it did. Real nice community. 1 monthly donation. Jewels on top of jewels on top of jewels. That if you play your game right, it can play for the donation amount. It could definitely pay for the donation amount. I mean, just the other day, about 3-4 days ago, after Ripple pumped or before Ripple pumped, I think it was after Ripple pumped. We not we were having discussions and we spoke about taking shorts on the XRP or taking shorts utilizing the XRP bull token, to which we were able to see 100% gains overnight, really 130+% gains. But for those that are interested, hit my inbox, hit my DM, hit my email. I'll send the link to you. Definitely come in there, get value. Some people have been in there with me for over a year now. And I mean, they ain't gone nowhere yet. You know? Discord, I got a private, I'll show y'all real quick. Let me show y'all. Discord. I thought it would be on here. Hold on. Oh, here it is right here. Here we go. We got a nice couple of members now. Let's see. Y'all gotta get in them AM. Look, they let them know I was live on YouTube at 1:31 a.m. Y'all looked at Sushi Swap Farm recently. Let's see what's going on in here. What we got ready to be relayed? DeFi L only on PiDAO, the best wealth creation strategy accessible to everyone. Has anyone purchased index produced gas free through the oven? Damn, I haven't. I need to do that. Oh no, yes I did. I do got the DeFi large cap. Yes, I did. Mine is currently farming. Let's see. We get up early around here too. You see what time we up? 4:54 a.m. So we definitely with the early bird shit. Let me see. Let's see what we got going on. Oh yeah, this one we was all getting the airdrops of 1 inch. Y'all see that? One of the members, this is his investment. He's liquidity farming. He deposited 1 inch in Ethereum. This is a liquidity pool token, meaning half and half 1 inch, half Ethereum, right? So far, he's got $1.77 in rewards. His APY right now, annual percentage yield, is 425%. Nah, Realty not on bullshit. Shit, that's they shit. That's they shit. They created that. They can accept who the fuck they want. You know what I'm saying, Indiana? The key is, this is what I want everybody to understand. The key is not for us to use all the stuff that's out here. The key is for us to create our own shit. Who the fuck said they the only ones that can tokenize real estate? You get what I'm saying? Who says they the only one that can tokenize real estate? Let's buy this shit up, tokenize our own real estate. We ain't got to use Realty. We definitely don't got to use them. Take again at this, family. If you were to stake this amount, this is if you were farming. So 1 inch daily earnings, 27 inch, 55 day. Look at this, 1 inch, right? So if you stake 3,500, you get back about $55 a day. Monthly earnings is 1,668. Yearly earnings is 20,000 bucks. We talking about tokenizing real estate and everything else you can do over here in this deep new money matrix that I've introduced you all to and brought y'all ass down a rabbit hole with me. Let me come back over here to YouTube and see what's going on. For the person that keeps asking me about Guap Coin, I got a Guap Coin review on this YouTube channel. Just scroll back about a year ago. I got a Guap Coin review on my YouTube channel. I did a review on Guap Coin like a year ago. BTC about to hit 28,000. It just may. It just may. Brother Boogie, I see you up with us. It's funny. I was just sharing one of your posts about what you can make off of in fact, you see it on the screen right now. Talking about what we can make off. But hey, this is the group family. You got general, you got Discord videos, right? Where I give you updated videos. We go live. You got your chart analysis page. Let me see. Where's that short on XRP we did? Where's the XRP short? There it is. Hold on. See, I long XRP bull at 216. That was on the 24th. I posted this chart on the 24th at about what? Maybe 3 something in the afternoon. I don't remember. But yeah, just stay, you stay updated with what's going on this way. Good information, good information. We also have the storyboard. Once again, I'm going through my private Discord group. This is the private Discord. It's almost like its own little social media site, but it ain't. It's Discord, but it be slick in here. What is this about? Hold on. It's like a party. So many protocols and platforms. Gotta love it. Not sure why it's not allowing. It is like a party though with all these platforms. Hey, after the first group trade. Finally got it. I missed 1,000% though. Damn. Hey, look. Miss 1-inch airdrop. Don't worry. 1-inch airdrop is live. Free 1,000-inch airdrop worth $1,500. $15 per referral. But there was no action to take. Yes, there is. Join the airdrop. Huh. We don't do any airdrop. Everything that AD5, we don't do any airdrops. Everything what looks like this is a scam. Yep. Scam. Scam. You got to be careful. That's why I like the community, because we keep everybody up, watch each other's back. Thank you, Faux Legacy, for posting that. Thank you. So is it real? From the pic you posted, looks like we all heard it from the horse's mouth. Brother Boogie, so what did you do with that airdrop? What did you do with that? Did it let me check you out on Facebook. I mean on YouTube real quick. That one is real. Yes, sir. I'm waiting for it. Ain't do the Superman. I don't own any Bitcoin. I wonder what the next all-time high for 1-inch. I never sold it. So you just participated in that new airdrop, Brother Boogie, and you got the 1,000 tokens. So if you did, I'm about to go do that shit right now. That 1-inch drop was golden too. Balancer might be up next. Brother, thanks for the gems. How do I get in the Discord? How do I get down? Post the link. There is no link. Can I get a Discord link? Nah, the link comes in the email after you sent the monthly donation. There's a monthly donation to join that Discord. There ain't no free game in there. You donate, invest in yourself, you can bring it back. But nah, it ain't a free. It's definitely not open to the public. But if you're interested in the Discord, just send me an email in my inbox or my DM, and I'll send you the link to get it. Nice. We picked up our first order. I think we did. Yep. At 22,600. We picked up our first order at 22,600. There we go. So we got 1.15. Now we got 25K on the line. Roughly 26K because it's 25,978, $25,978. That's what we got on the line right now. Smooth 25K order. Well, 26K. Let me stop saying 25. Smooth 26K order. How can we do a beginner session with you? DM me. Just DM me. You can set it up. ETH is booming. Boogie doing it. Yeah, Boogie getting it done. I'm going to swap 200 of that inch, drop, throw it and die, put it on the block card, get my young guy some books, some boots. My mans. My mans. So yeah, sit back and wait to see if our other order gets picked up. And I know y'all can't see what I'm talking about on IG. Just perform a few steps, waiting now. Do you have any suggestions on how to get started in the space? I'm in the Discord group. Just don't know where to start. Just been reading. Reach out to me, bro. Reach out to me. The Discord. Now I am gonna say this for everybody, and it's good that the brother said that he's sitting back reading. Discord. The Discord is advanced. I'm gonna tell y'all this now. If y'all don't really want to get into crypto, don't join the Discord because we're not on no pity pat. Hey, buy this and sell this shit. We really growing in there. We really building in there, and some of the shit might go over your head. So understand that coming into that Discord group, that's an advanced group. But as much as it's an advanced, it's built with beginners, though. You know what I'm saying? It's built with beginners. I had two 1-inch accounts, 1,250 coins, haven't sold because the price isn't high enough. I expected the weekend to dump. I wonder what's the next all-time high. You never know. Just did the 1-inch drop thing, waiting for something to happen. Easy Block said he just did it. He took the chance. Yeah, it's 2:36 in the AM. Salute to all those that if you did send a donation. No, definitely appreciative for anybody that appreciates the late night gems. Ethereum selling off a little bit. It was 650 or 644 now, so selling off a little bit. Oh shit, it's 2:30. Yeah, all right. I'll be back up at 4:44 AM. Post some more pictures. Keep y'all updated. Thank everybody that tuned in. No, the 1-inch thing is over with, man. Don't think about the 1-inch thing. That's another thing. Don't chase anything that look. Let me tell you this too, family. Don't chase anything that I post, anything that I share. If you didn't catch it, there's like not a lot of second chances over here. So like if you hear about them doing an airdrop and everybody just got $1,000, there is no, hey, how can I do that? It's missed already. So don't try to chase anything that I'm doing. Just get involved. That's all I'm gonna tell everyone. Get involved in the space. That way you don't have to worry about chasing anything that I'm sharing. You'll already be in the position to get it. Just like all of my students that got that airdrop. They didn't know they were getting it. They didn't know they was getting that airdrop from them being in the space. They got that free money. So stop trying to chase the money. Get in the space and just become involved. Is there a beginner video on YouTube or something? You know what? There is. Y'all can go and watch. I got a YouTube channel. I don't use it no more. It's an older YouTube channel. I started it probably like a year. It's a lot of NPXS, PoonDX information on it. Yeah, I don't want y'all chasing and oh yeah, pay me and I'll show you how to. Just get involved with the space. That's all I'm gonna tell you. Just get involved with the space. So if you go to, oh man, tired. Hold on. Here we go. This page right here, Cryptonomic Console, only got a couple of subscribers. I ain't used it in a while. I want to see when my last video was. 2 years ago. You see, I've been following PoonDX for a while, family. I bought PoonDX when it was still a penny. I made 100% off my first trade with PoonDX, so I doubled my money. So, I mean, it's cool. But if you go, I got a block folio tutorial over here, 16 minutes long, a bad token review, an Infinito wallet tutorial, Infinito wallet review, I got a what is Bancor tutorial, how to purchase PoonDX, PoonDX review, how to use advanced exchange options on the Binance. Look, I was making tutorials for Binance over 2 years ago. Look at it, nobody cared. 22 views, 68 views. Nobody gave two shits. Look, what is Bitcoin? I got a video I did over 2 years ago. I don't even remember what I said on it. It's only 2 minutes and 43 minutes long, but over 2 years ago, I made a what is Bitcoin video. How to sign up for Coinbase. Even though I was lightweight against Coinbase, it's still the easiest way for Americans to sign up. So, you know, I go with what's convenient. How to sign up for Binance and send funds. Binance tutorial, how to use the Binance Basic exchange option. Now, Binance may be built a little bit different for family. Y'all ain't got to pay me for nothing. Y'all can watch all these videos for free. Y'all can watch all these videos for free. Yeah. With that being said, I'm out of here, family. I hope y'all got a lot of value out of that. Let me see what we got. When the next time you're going live, I got a gym for you. I don't know. Just hit the notification. I might go to Clubhouse. I'm about to roll up before I go to sleep. DYDX may be doing an airdrop soon. That's why I'm glad I used them. I've been using DYDX since the Genesis. In fact, I might throw some funds over there now just to make sure I'm in on that airdrop. I might throw some funds on. Good looking, brother Ben. I might throw some funds and airdrop just to make sure. I might develop for Chainlink. My man's. Sauce pimping. I need to get in tune with you, family. I want to book that Airbnb y'all got over there. I like that location. I want to book that Airbnb. I like that location. I want to book that for my families. I had a couple of families I want to bring up there. Make something happen for us. But yeah, thank everybody that tuned in. Hope y'all got a lot out of it. To the next one. I might go in the Clubhouse. Just wait for this. If I do, I'll create a burn late page or something like that. I don't know. Just look out for it. I might go in, I might not. To the next one, peace. YouTube. Let me see. We still live. They on the DYD. Yes, they are on DYDX doing the airdrop. They're doing the airdrop now. My name on Clubhouse is Bitcoin Bully 44, if I'm not mistaken. Bitcoin Bully 44. I sniped that position at 22.6 too. We back up. Bitcoin Bully 44 though. All right, I'm out of here, family. Peace.